Suppose you are going to a mall or a showroom to buy new product for your house or for any other purpose. At this time, if you don't know to pronounce that brand names correctly, I don't think that product deserves to be with you. And some products might be costly, just like you have to sell your kidney in order to buy a costliest brands. But some might not be costly also. In both of the case, you should know how to pronounce that brand names correctly and clearly without mispronouncing it. I'm going to tell you what are the top 10 brand names which you are mispronouncing it each and every day, and I'm sure that I'm going to correct it after you watch the whole video. Hello there, what's up people, it's me Jaya. You're watching me on The Expound. Let's get into the video. Let's start with a mobile phone brand. You might pronounce it as Huawei, Huawei, Hawaii. I don't know what all names you call this brand as, but the actual way of saying it is Huawei. Yes, here the H is silent and you just have to consider the letters from U, which is Huawei. You can just use it as, hey, I just bought a new phone which is Huawei. Can you just tell me how it is? Everybody's dream in their life will be to buy a car, branded car. But then after having these many dreams, they will still be pronouncing that brand name itself in a wrong way. This one you might call it as Chevrolet, Chevrolet, but the actual way is Chevrolet, Chevrolet. Here the T is silent, so you can just call it as Chevrolet. Hey, my dream car is Chevrolet. I just want to buy that before I die. You might be saying it as Renault, Renault. The actual way is Renault, Renault. Here L and T is so silent, so you have to just say it as Renault. This one is Nike. Am I correct? No, it's not Nike, it's Nike. Nike. The key which you put in the door? Yeah, it's Nike. Now I want you to write down in the comment about what are the brand names which you didn't even know to pronounce it after reading that brand name. Please do comment. You might wrongly say it as Hyundai, Hyundai. I don't know what all things you mispronounce it is. I have even heard from the people pronouncing it in the same way. But here you should call it as Hyundai. It's Hyundai. Is it Porsche or is it Porsche? No, it's Porsche. Porsche. Wait. Since you have reached this far, please make sure that you subscribe my channel also and hit the bell icon, because that will give me a lot of motivation in making more videos which can help you. IKEA, that's correct, right? You might be saying as, Mom, let's just go to IKEA today and buy some stuff. No, you should say it as IKEA. Yes, it's called IKEA. And the next time when you ask your mom, you should say it as, Mom, can you please go to IKEA and buy some stuff? This brand, and this is the most confusing brand which many people have been mispronouncing it as. Many people will be like, it's Nutella, because it's NU, so that's called No, which says Nutella, but it's Nutella. Yes, you have to add W in between and then you have to say it. So normally, can you just please pass that Nutella, because I'm so hungry to eat that. Volkswagen or Volkswagen? No, you should say it as Volkswagen, Volkswagen. Here you know that L is silent, so you just have to say it as Volkswagen. This is one of the famous and a most trusted sportswear around the globe, and still you might be wrongly pronouncing it as Adidas, Adidas, Adidas. All the three ways are wrong. The correct way is Adidas, Adidas. Here I and A are silent. You can just say it as, I just got a new sportswear called Adidas. Can you please wear and check how it is? You might say it as channel or channel. The CH is sha. You have to pronounce it as sha, which is Chanel, Chanel. I have seen this product is mostly mistaken and mispronounced by most of the people around the globe. People say it as Gussi, or Gucci. How can we even pronounce it as Gucci? The correct way is Gucci. Gucci. The double C you have to pronounce it as chi, which means Gucci. It's not Lamborghini or Lamborghini. It's Lamborghini. Lamborghini. You have to hardly pronounce that bar, so you can just say it as Lamborghini. Everybody will be saying it as Xiaomi, 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 Redmi. You have to not pronounce that X. That X should be silent and you should say it as Xiaomi or Xiaomi. Xiaomi. It's not Xiaomi. It's not Amazon or Amazon. It's not Amazon. It's Amazon. I just bought a new product from Amazon this time. It's not Sega or Sega. It's Sega. Avon. It's A1. It's not Del Monte or Del Monte. It's Del Monte. Del Monte. This product is not mainly used in India, but still, if people haven't heard about this word, the people mostly call this brand name in a very unique way, and it is even difficult to understand what the people are talking about. So this product mainly the people call it as, the correct way is Schwarzkopf. Schwarzkopf. Simple. Tagwear. Tagwear. It's Tagwear. Tagwear. It's not Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. Louis Vuitton. It's not that each and every word you have to pronounce it by letter wise. You just have to know how the way it is pronounced. You just have to say it as Louis Vuitton instead of Louis Vuitton. This one you might call it as Versace, Versace. The correct way is Versace. Versace. Adobe. No, it's Adobe. Adobe. It's not Asus or Asus. It's Asus. Asus. It's not Samsung. It's Samsung. You know the hearing song? It's just Samsung. So these are the 10 plus brand names which you are pronouncing it wrong each and every day. I'm sure that you would have got that one brand, at least that one brand which you were pronouncing it wrong for the past so many years. So I'm sure that you would have gotten some idea about how to correctly pronounce these all names. You might even see some of the other people who are pronouncing it in a wrong way, and if you can, please do correct them also, because since these brand names are so complicated to read, people just assume different other ways of saying that brand. This will be at least helpful for 0.00001%. I'm sure that if it is, please do make sure that you subscribe my channel and like this video and hit that bell icon also, because whenever you do that, I will get a little boost and a more motivation in making more videos for you. I'm sure that this would be helpful. Thank you so much. Until the next video. Bye.